So Plaza Premium Lounge is near gate 24, 26. There's a sign in there. It's a Plaza Premium Lounge next to the Sumo Green Salad. So it's around 7 a.m. at Sydney Airport. I'm flying to Bangkok today, and I got priority pass through City Prestige and also Amex Platinum. So I'm checking out this Plaza Premium Lounge. They got pretty good selection of alcohol. Pretty small area actually. This is scrambled eggs. The Plaza Premium Lounge is pretty small at Sydney Airport and not much selection in here. What they have bacon, chicken sauces, scrambled eggs, croissant, what else they have? And baked potato, I think. It's not much, it's a small area. It's near gate 25. Wow, look at this big Qantas in here. So those alcohol is not included because these are premium alcohol, but other than those are the included one. Alright, that's pretty much for Plaza Premium Lounge. I'm not going to have anything in here. I'll try in the house